So before I start this video, I just want to say it is not my purpose to name and shame people, but just try and give people a chance. Reviews are important and a lot of businesses rely on them being fair. We just wanted to see what happened if you got your hair cut in a one-star review shop. I've had a hard time thinking whether or not I should release this video, and with that being said, here we are. It's just me and you. Hi. This video has been edited so no one will know where we went or who cut the hair. I just wanted to show you an experiment where if you manage to walk into a barbershop you have never been into before, make sure you do your research, as you're playing Russian roulette with your hair. Just to clarify, there was no malicious intention on this video, it's all love and fun. This video is a joke, not a dick, so don't take it too hard. Love to you all, enjoy the video, please make sure you sub as my next funny video is going to be cutting hair blindfolded. Peace. You ready? Ready? Jamie Baker.
You right there?
Yeah, I'm all good. How's things?
Chilling, man.
So, listen. I'll come up with a good YouTube video idea.
Right.
It's a challenge. Do you accept the challenge?
What is the challenge?
You got to accept the challenge first, Jamie, before I'll buy you Mackie D's.
It's got to be like shave my hair.
Nah, it's not shaving your hair. Don't worry about that.
No, nothing to do with my hair.
It is to do with your hair, but it's not shaving it.
What, a different haircut?
No, you'll have the same haircut.
From somebody else?
Yes.
And are they a barber?
Yes. So,
From your shop?
no. The challenge is, I'm going to send you, I'll pay for it, to go to the worst reviewed barber in Aylesbury.
What?
Come on.
Fucking don't give me a century.
Nah.
That is so...
Come on.
I'll come with you.
Zoe's gonna come with you for moral support.
They're gonna dead my trim.
Nah, they'll get that. Whatever you do to your hair, yeah, I'll fix it when you get back here. For free.
And you get a
Will you be
McDonald's.
able to?
And I'll buy you a McDonald's.
Yeah.
So what is going on, everyone? I'm Kieronthebarber, and today I'm going to be sending Jamie Baker to the worst reviewed barber in my town. Jay, how do you feel about it?
I'm a bit worried, you know.
So what we're going to do is we're going to go in, we're going to ask them, I'm going to give you you're going to show them a picture of yourself, which is one of my cuts that I've done on him, and they're going to try and recreate it. It's pretty simple, really. So Jamie Baker is going to be going to for people who don't are a chain, I'm sure they're very good at what they do. That's why I'm confident I'm going to prove myself wrong in this one. They're going to come back with a brilliant skin fade, which I'm not going to have to fix. Right?
Yeah, hopefully.
I could be completely wrong, or you know, you could come back with a really shit haircut, which I'm probably hoping, because that'll bring more views in, won't it? Really?
Yeah.
So yeah, what's their rating, though?
I think it's 3 stars.
3-star rating. Yeah.
They've got some 1-star reviews.
They got a few 1-star reviews. I want to say a few, quite a lot. So yeah, guys, you're gonna now follow Jamie to. I really hope you enjoy this video. Jamie, tell them to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Because you're going through a lot of pain for this, aren't you?
Yeah, I am. My trim's gonna get destroyed.
So, leaving the shop with Jamie Baker. And I'm really scared. How are you feeling?
Yeah, I'm worried.
This walk is a 2-minute walk, but it is gonna feel like a 10-minute walk. The things you do for Kieron's YouTube. What have you got to say before you go in there?
Thanks, Kieron, for giving me this opportunity. Can't wait. I'm so excited.
But you're getting a McDonald's out of it, so
Yeah, I am
it
getting
doesn't
McDonald's,
matter.
yeah,
I don't even know if you have to book an appointment.
No, I think they do walk-ins.
I think you can just walk in and ask for...
Yeah, but all the people that have done walk-ins,
Yeah.
their reviews have been really bad.
That is true.
Oh, no.
I think we should go with like the what do you call it? The scenario that we haven't... You're not from this town, maybe.
Yeah.
So you're from... What town are you from?
I'll just say I think that's Wickham.
Yeah, you're from Wickham. And you're gonna get a haircut.
Yeah, last time I went out.
So guys, we're back. I promised Jamie a McDonald's, so we've just been eating quickly. I've been chatting about his haircut. I've already seen it. It's time. Now, as a recap, I sent Jamie to the worst reviewed barbershop in. And no, to be fair, you were in there, what, 30 minutes? 30-minute wait, wasn't too bad. The person that cut his hair was friendly enough. Let's have a look. Can you do the big reveal?
Look at that.
I mean, it's not that bad. Do you know what? Let's take the job. We'll take the good points from it first. Hold on. So we'll take the good points, like his fade. Really isn't that bad. I mean, there's a couple of cuts on the neck and stuff. There's bits that aren't really. But I mean, it's definitely fixable. My issue with this whole haircut was what we just was stating here. It's like it's kind of a big hole in the bridge.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Look at that! Look at that! Hang on. So it should be front on. I mean, don't you dirty, bro. I said to Jamie, don't worry, it's only a problem, it's going to be fixable. I don't know how we're going to fix this, but we're going to sit Jamie in the chair right now. And we're going to try and fix it. So, Jay, jump in the chair. We're going to give this our best shot.
Are you going to film him like...
So you're saying, so you went and got a grooming package, which was meant to include a hot towel. What was it?
A beard trim and an
Hot towel and a beard trim and an eyebrow trim, yeah? Thing is, you still got a beard.
Oh no, that's what I thought.
Did they trim your eyebrows?
Nope.
Ouch.
How much was this?
It was £14.95, I think.
£14.
£14.95p
Yeah.
for the package, but he just got the haircut. They did it.
And the haircut's like £11.
So the haircuts are usually £11, but because you got this package,
Yeah.
it was this much.
Yeah, but it's really different thing.
But they didn't give you anything.
And you know, like when you finish it, you take the gown off and you're like, oh yeah, that's it then. Like you say so. She just took the gown off and walked away.
I didn't even punish him.
Oh mate.
Death by McDonald's. Oh, David Baker, you're fucking 1 in a million, mate. This shit I'm gonna make you do from now on for videos is gonna be jokes.
I spoke to him about it.
I was like, Jamie's back!
The thing is, I just think it's funny. I'll do it if it makes you laugh.
I mean, I didn't think she was, I thought she was just going to do the sides, bro. I'll be honest with you, that's what I thought was going to be funny was, do you know what, I've gone the completely wrong way about this, yeah? Because I thought I thought she was gonna be like, oh, do you know what? The top was gonna be good, and the side, the fade was gonna be like fucking shit.
The top was going to be good because I said just take a little bit of it, and Zoe was like, nah, take as much as you can.
No, did you?
I was like, make it short and choppy.
Oh, fuck me, it's definitely short. And his fringe is well choppy. Okay. We're all good, we're all good.
This one getting much true.
So she done the half really high, and then she's got her scissors and her phone.
The half is strong high. Higher than Connor's ever been.
But as soon as I saw,
That's really high.
like as soon as I saw her go with the half, I was like, oh, it's done. She's finished.
Oh shit, here we go again.
I wish I should have gone in with a safe word.
Bananas! Why does Keith shout bananas for? So he's like, got to leave.
And they don't have anything on the sections. So everything she needed, she had to go and get from the other side of the salon.
That's fucking weird.
But you got to put my links in the description for this one.
What's that?
You got to put my links in the description for this one.
Yeah, follow Jamie Baker's. Are you going to make like a parody account?
I've got a private Instagram where I just post funny shit. Life of bakes.
The whole thing was like, shoot.
Oh dear.
Shit. Jen was like, Uncle was like,
I've got the same thing where I get really cooked in but I just want shit.
Hey, you're right.
One of them came in and felt massive like a gorilla shoot. And then one of them went bananas.
Don't worry, Jamie Baker. I'm going to shave your face.
Cheers, mate.
For free. Don't worry.
Did you not see that? It's actually grown a bit now.
It's getting there, bro. It's getting there. Oh, mate. Fair play. You took one for the team. You
Fair
dare.
enough for even going.
If you just say it's for Vance, then I'll do it.
Drink a bottle of bleach for bands. Go on. Kieron, is this your sports bar?
Yeah, it is, mate. Oh.
They're fucked up, Jay. They're fucked up, mate.
It's the shortest I've ever been. It is, isn't it?
Probably, yeah. It's quite short.
Does it look alright though?
Yeah, that's fine. Did you put any products in there?
No.
Did you put no products in there?
Didn't even ask.
Did you get it cut?
Huh?
How long ago did you get it cut?
Half an hour ago.
Yeah, she didn't even ask. She didn't have any products near her or anything. The only products I saw were on the shelf for sale.
No way. You're right, man. You're right. Sorry? How's it at McDonald's? It smells of McDonald's. Oh yeah, nice. I brought Jamie Baker a McDonald's. Nice like that. That bit there, your fringes.
Yeah,
Jamie, mate, I want to cry for you.
Don't cry for me, Jamie Baker.
I swear I've always got a little patch there anyway.
No, never. The hair grows there.
if I get back and tell buddy.
Okay.
And then he's going to react to it. So I went with James in his camera. So I went with James last week after just now, lost it back.
Okay,
It was interesting.
you get very fast, very fast.
No, literally something.
It looks alright, mate.
Yeah, I told you I'd be able to fix it. I didn't think it would be this funny, I'll be honest with you. Hello mate, you're right.
I'm taking over the middle.
Something like that. Honestly, I expected the fade to be bad and the top to be good.
Yeah, that's what I thought, because she styles hair.
But she didn't style your hair. Oh my days.
Yeah, what? Yeah. I think the last few was like So would you go a bit from
That'll sick in the video.
I promoted Andis as well.
Sorry?
I promoted Andis as well.
Did you?
Yeah, because they was showing the scratches on my neck, and and I said that's what you get when you don't use Andis clippers, because they was using wool.
Very inconsiderate, the week off, I was there.
That smells banging. Is that pineapple?
Sorry?
What is that?
Just got to be.
Smells banging.
Yeah, I always had it, and then
Okay, see? I fixed it. It ain't that bad. Ain't that bad.
not really bit that time.
I mean, it was savable. That was the main thing, wasn't it, Jenny Baker? My G. Took one for the team, innit, Jay?
Yeah.
Fully took one for the team there. But we fixed it.
Just bounce, innit?